Hello, good people. Welcome to my channel. I'm Janae, and I love to be outside. Today is September the 24th, 2025. I'm here in Brighton, Michigan at the Brighton recreational area, and I'm doing a hike today. You can find this hike. It is on all trails. It is almost 50 degrees today, so I had to come out here and take a hike. This loop is about 4 miles. We're going to do all 4 miles. Some of the things that I see along the way, I am going to make sure that I record for you. So, I hope you enjoy being outside. Why don't you take this adventure with me? I'll be back in a couple moments. All right, I'm back. Hey, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey, glad you took the time to visit me again. As I've just gotten out here on this trail, I have noticed that there are some mushrooms out here. I want you guys to take a peek at them. Look at those mushrooms. There's also some over here on this tree. Look at that. Look at that. It is still warm enough for these mushrooms to be out here. Look at that. Wow. You'd be surprised. We've had some pretty cold weather, but they still surviving.
To say, if all it is 8 letters, why am I in my own way?
So here we go, a different terrain, another boardwalk. These are so nice. It keeps the flow of the water, keeps that going because it's not concrete. And it's a nice little pace, change of pace. Right here, as you can see, here's some standing water. But over there, I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit. You'll be able to see that we haven't had a whole lot of rain. Some algae right there, but it's okay, it's that time of year. Look at this here. It's a road, you cross the road. Right here. There's that trail, boardwalk we just came off of. Now here it is, we're crossing over to the other side. Hiking trail. Let's go up these stairs right here. Make sure I got firm footing. Look at this, wow. Talk about a real nice workout, people. You want to work out here in nature? This is your thing. This is the place to be. I would rate this as moderately difficult. It's definitely not easy, but there are definitely others that are much more difficult than this one. So if you think you want to come out and explore this trail, all I can say is make sure that you are prepared. You have the proper supplies and the things that you need, because you're gonna need it. So halfway through this trail, it sends you onto a dirt road through a neighborhood. However, you do catch back up to the trail, but it's just kind of interesting on how this kind of just, it's kind of odd. Now we're back on the trail. We probably maybe a quarter of a mile walking on the dirt road to get back to the trail. Now I'm up on another incline, as you can tell by my breathing. There are definitely a few things that I suggest if you decide to hike this trail. Make sure that you get good footwear. Make sure you get good support, because you got dirt, you definitely got a lot of sand, and you got a whole lot of tree roots. And you definitely don't want to, let me just stop for a minute and try to catch my breath. You definitely don't want to get injured out here on the trail and your feet are hurting, because your feet is what's going to carry you through this trail. So make sure that you have good hiking shoes, good support, tied up. Hiking boots will even be recommended for certain out here on this trail. And last but not least, make sure you got some water, because you're gonna need it. It's not quite 50 degrees, and I'm getting ready to stop and have a drink. These peaks and valleys will definitely get your heart rate up. I love it, I love it. Bring it on, I'm here for it. But just so that you are prepared when you get out here. Now I'm gonna turn the camera around again so you can kind of see we're getting ready to go downhill for certain. Tell me, we just finished coming up. Now we getting ready to go down. Oh yeah. All right, I wanted to shoot this when I got finished at the trailhead, but I had to take a phone call. So I'm in the car now, so I just want to give a quick overview on what I thought about this hiking trail here in Brighton, Michigan. It is a very, very nice trail, but however, there are many, many inclines and declines, all types of terrain. A whole lot of sand, and because now it's the fall time, the leaves have fallen. So if you choose to come out and do a hike, just make sure that you have everything that you need. Make sure that you have plenty of water to drink. Make sure that you have on the proper gear, proper clothing, proper footwear. So again, I would like to thank you if you have made it this far in the video, which is the end. Please like and subscribe. if you haven't already. Until next time, until our next outside adventure, take care. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.